real. Hey Siri, call mom! There's too much going on! Yo, you're stupid as hell.
I'm not gonna talk ish, but I mean, we should be packing, right? And
wait,
she's
Jeff,
playing Call of Duty. Alright guys, what's going on? Hey, we're back, baby! This is not mine, this is Becca's for everyone that's asking me. This is Blondie's. She was like, alright, Cam's riding my bike better than me. She was like, I'm not gonna let him ride it. It's not what she said, but I think that's what she thinks. Don't tell her that. But I'm bringing Star, because Baby Blue is still in the shop. Here we are. This is the scheme for I flipped that thing around, so now we're GP. My actual shock, I compressed it, and now the rear is a lot stiffer. The front is going to be very soft, so going into turn one, I'm definitely gonna take it easy. Just cross your fingers and pray. That's how I ride. Jeff, you're in the video. What do you have to say to the world? Vite! 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 Mike, I'm gonna go show the world that car.
No, not allowed.
Wait, I'm going in. I'm going in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That blue is insane. That blue is almost like the Yami blue. Jesus Christ. What are y'all doing? Why are you walking up on me like that? Back up off me.
The same car, blood.
Back up off me,
bro. You can't run away from it. Look at my legs.
You look like a penguin, bro. I don't want donuts for breakfast. I'm sorry. You said what?
No, I'm sleep deprived and ready to die. No kisser?
No kisser.
No.
What does kisser mean?
Look how I'm holding the burrito like a bottle.
Only cops go.
I'm a
We've been friends for this long, you gonna tell me now you a fed?
Are you gonna what? What'd you say? There's too much going on!
The sauce is called Carmen Asada, right? Just in one bite?
Yep.
Do it. Do it. Do it. This is your favorite rapper, bro. That's your favorite rapper. That's what. Bro, you can't see shit. That's the craziest part.
I see it. Look, you right there, you holding up 2 fingers.
I don't have any fingers up.
You don't have no fingers?
No. Wait, what? He's saying it's too early. It's 6 in the morning.
Time is not real. I thought you ate all that. I got a second one. Anybody got a microwave?
Every time I look in my rearview mirror, I get pissed off because I'm looking at Becca.
Anybody got 4 Loco?
Why'd you not go through it? It's 6 in the morning. Cops are asleep, right? You said you have a warrant? Yo, this is where I hit that deer. This is where I almost died.
Hey, so you telling me going fast and this is
Nah, keep going fast. Keep going fast. I couldn't see the deer. You can see if the deer's there.
Chill. I know my car. How many car do you have?
I crashed it.
You another story.
Why? Because I hit a deer with the SRT. Listen, it's on my TikTok.
You hit the deer.
The deer hit me.
I just hit a deer!
Just because my lights were off doesn't make a difference. And the Mustang was doing the Mustang things. That's not my fault. The Mustang wanted to go into the median. I should have crashed a Mustang doing a TikTok. That would have been dope. I'm just saying, I would have liked to relive the moment in 5 years.
Cam forgot the chairs in the tent. I'm a big guy. I like to sit. So we're literally just stranded. And when you're editing this, you're a dumb. Why are you bullying my little mans?
I think that $20 was free. You owe me money. Look at you. Look at you. Are you the guy that says Vita in every video?
See the fit. That's what I like to see. Yes, sir.
They see it?
Product placement.
Oh, no, it's not product placement. This is what I wear. This is comfortable.
Yeah.
You should be buying. I got a discount code, hype 10. Louis, Prada, more like. Wait, what was that? Ride clutch.
Yeah, hey, yo. You got a new add-on to the bat suit?
Yeah. So you Iron Man now, but the Hispanic version. Shit, that's what I really know.
This is what happens when you smoke ports all morning.
What up, guys? All right, so I'm gonna put Q4s on Star today. I'm still on stock fronts, and this is super soft. Honestly, if I compare it, feels like a dirt bike. Going down turn 1, my front's gonna just roll in. I'm gonna be down here pretty much. I'm not saying I have a blown fork seal, but maybe she's a little wet and moist. Can you do it with me? Harmonize?
Let me get this comfy ass clutch shirt, bro.
What? Hold on. We have more important stuff to talk about while he's sexually eating his chips in front of my face, bro. He smoked another CBD port.
Bro, his playlist freaking.
What the heck? It looked cool. Oh, shit.
Come on, let me get one.
Come on, come on. Let's get it. I need something to land. Can we count that?
I quit.
Get him, Lionel. Get him, Lionel.
I quit.
Josh, I can't help. On the gray sweat.
Waterboard him.
My neck hurts. Say sorry. I'm sorry.
All right.
That's crazy. Oh my God! He moved so fast. He's an enigma. Emphasis on the nig. Wet and wild spring break. Yo, Cam, can I tell you a secret?
What's your secret?
I think about you all the time.
Where are your shoes? You run around in mud.
Oh, you're not gonna be able to get those, Johns. Look at that butt.
Becca!
You need help?
There's one up there.
Well, I'll give you a boost. I'll give you a boost. Okay. Jump. 1. Oh! You got it! You're 70 pounds. Keep going, John. Yes, let's go!
Ah!
Triumphant!
Ah! You big turkey.
Snitches always win.
Big milk dud. Ah! Ah! Alright, shit.
Oh, Mike's so cute. It's like a midget riding a bike. Hey, yo.
I ain't got no socks.
With the forces?
I ain't got no socks.
I know Josh in here somewhere.
They did me foul, dog. Everybody got clutch gear from me.
I got clutch gear at the crib too.
They did me foul, dog.
Yo, is that a 2JZ out of a Supra? Josh, you need some coolant. Hey, yo, why are you touching Rodney? Damn, Rodney gone. That just sounds like a toy car.
Crash it.
Yo!
Crash it. Are you caught?
What up, guys? Oh, it feels good to be back. Let's go! Oh, that front end sucks. Yeah, I need to adjust my brake lever. Ah, you got it, baby! Oh, somebody look down. I'm definitely beating the crap out of Star right now. I don't really have much of a tank to hold on to. I do, but it's just everything's in a different location, if that makes sense. That's 2 bikes down this session. Woo! Dude, I feel so bad. Like 6th gear pin, and I'm like, no, come on, you got it. Hey yo, hey yo. Look at this dweeb. Such a dweeb.
I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cat. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer now. I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll.
Bro, they're such nuts.
They said money would make me change, that's fact. I might live a little bit longer.
We're late.
Let's go, I'm never looking, why do they find me? Too many things on my mind, I hope you can relate, had to switch up, made money from my pain. But I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't ease my pain, that's cat. They said money would make me change, that's fact. Cause I might live a little bit longer now. I'm a young sad kid who fell in love with the bankroll. They said money wouldn't
Guy, you're a done deal.
Is that TheKilaCam?
I know you're talking to. You almost messed up. That would have been 1,500. You look like a seal. Ian, you definitely almost pulled me in.
I felt me grabbing hard on your arm like. Hey, stay away. The AR tough. The AR tough. You're not safe.
What? Huh?
I thought I got my phone on me, so unless you want to buy me.
What is going on?
Hey Siri, call mom.
Cam, get his stuff.
Oh!
From your pocket.
No!
Let me get your phone. I got his wallet.
He's a done deal. You got my phone and stuff?
No.
No, it's in your pocket.
Yes, you do.
All I needed was a little persuasion. Do a front flip.
What?
Don't throw her in. Don't throw her in.
Can't survive. Okay, damn it. Damn it, Chris.
Say what's up to a YouTube video. Everybody got one chance.
Oh! You just smacked me with your foot! Oh! After you, my lady. Awesome! Awesome! That's how the hard rocket rolls! Yo, dude! We was just getting it! We was just getting it!
It's rolling.
Somebody just start a fucking book.
Oh, hit! Oh! Oh! But how is a rocket rolling? Oh, hit that! Hit that! Yo, you're stupid as hell.
Let's do it.
Yeah.